how to copy the link of a YouTube video using the YouTube app. So for example, if I use Google Chrome, the browser, then I have the videos link here on the top. And there is the copy button and I can copy the link. Okay, but if I use the application, this one, that's the YouTube application. If I use this one, when I go to a video, then there is no link on the top. So how to copy the link of that one? Come here to the share button. Tap on share. And there is the possibility to copy the link. Copy link, tap on that one. Copy to clipboard. Now if I close the YouTube app and open a web browser, let's say Google Chrome, then I can go here, either tap on link you copied or that one, or come here and long tap to the address bar, and there you have paste. And there's the address. Now tap on go and it goes to the same video. So the link is available at the share button. Copy link.